What's up, Janta? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And in today's video, I'll be reacting to all of the Gintama openings. And I'm also wearing a t-shirt which like is similar to Gintoki's hair colors. So I watched one episode of Gintama and that's pretty much it. I don't know anything about Gintama except for the fact that I guess the it's a comedy anime and they are doing some like chores. I don't know what kind of chores they are doing, but that's all I know. So let's get started with the reaction right away. So this is Gintama opening. A lot of people actually requested this reaction. So thank you to all those people for giving me suggestion and requesting this. So let's get started with the video right away. So this is Gintama opening 1 reaction. All the old school openings used to come so hard you couldn't even think about anything else. So they are going on some scooter. Oh, a dog, I guess. I love this opening already so much. So he is like okay, so these three are, I guess, the group of I guess, yeah, I also know that he runs a company or something like that who helps in doing the chores. And I guess these three are the part of the company. What's the dog doing in the background? Like, he was eating someone, right? The other dude? Who are these people? Are there actually any bad guys in this anime? Because it's a comedy anime, right? And it has been like one of the best animes. I've heard people saying that it's one of the best animes out there. Is it actually? Okay, that was a nice opening. I love this. Oh, and the blood then came. That's nice. That's nice. Love the opening one. So from this opening, what I got was that they run a company which I think I know because I saw the first episode, and they help in doing the household chores or like any chores, I guess. And what's the use of the dog? I don't know about that, but he might be his pet or something part of that. And then at the end, it also showed some guys with some black suits or coats, something like that, and it looked like that. Are they like what could be like how can someone be bad in a comedy anime? I don't know, but I guess they must be creating some kind of obstacles in the work of their company. Maybe that is what they are there for. So moving on to opening 2, let's go. Again on the scooter on the seashore, I guess, seaside, yeah. So all he does is like normal stuff like go to casinos, pachinko, whatever that is, and then slack around, read manga and stuff like that. Maybe that is what he was doing in the first part. Also, I like the vibe of these old school openings. It is giving me some vibes like if you have seen that anime, it's Great Teacher Onizuka GTO. It is a really good anime, by the way. So this is giving me the same vibes like GTO, but it's not similar. I know that, but it looks like it is. Like it sounds similar. But he's wait, is he fighting with a wooden sword with a like the opponent is fighting with a normal sword and then he is fighting with a wooden sword? What's with that? What, there are cannons and badminton and ninjas? Yeah, also from the looks like it looks like that he runs a delivery business of some noodles and some restaurant kind of stuff. Okay, so that was opening 2. and it was pretty much similar. Like there was nothing much different going on except for a little bit of like new characters, like the ninja people, and then the fighting scene, which was not actually fighting. It was like more like a parody fight going on something. He was fighting with a wooden sword and something. So moving on to opening 3 of Gintama. Again, they're on the same scooter, so it definitely looks to me like maybe it's just a normal scooter which they used to commute. A nice beach episode. Huh, the cat. No, the dog. The dog or the cat? Must be a dog. Was he trying to escape and she caught him and like asked him to pay some bills or something? It looked like that. Yeah, so like who are these guys, the ones in the black coats and all? I am guessing, I don't know who they are, but is that okay? Yeah, it could be like are these people a rival company or organization which is also like doing the similar kind of stuff these Gintoki and his friends are doing. So they are like competitive organizations. Maybe they are. Yeah, but why are there ninjas? Oh, is she already falling for him? What is that? Now there are spaceships, battleships, I guess, not spaceships. Yeah, he definitely uses a wooden sword. That's pretty much like that. I'm sure about that. And then they are having a picnic, and he's listening to some music. He's sleeping. She's doing whatever she wants. So nothing different in all the 3 openings, but yeah, all of them kind of give me the similar vibe. So let's move on to the 4th opening. Again, like all the openings had this one scene similar in which these two are riding the scooter and on I guess the same road. Yeah, it's the same road by the seaside, and she's always riding the dog. He looks cute, but he or she, the dog, whatever. It looks cute. Yeah. Does he also practice swordsmanship? I'm vibing with this. Oh, he got some power. Or oh yeah, he turned. Oh, what was that? Who is this guy? Looks new to me. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And who are these people? Yeah, like they were in pretty much every other opening as well. So there must be some people important to the plot. So moving on to opening 5 of Gintama. Let's go. Again, the same scooter scene. The guitar is really heavy. Is this the bass or guitar, whatever it is? I love the last opening, by the way. It was really great. But I think I will like this one even more. Love these effects. The petals cup. This effect was really cool where the petals were covering their faces and the scene was changing, and that was really cool. Who is this dude with and who is this other dude? I can see his legs, so he's also human. Like he has to be a human, obviously, I guess, or maybe at least he looks like human to me. But he just wears a coat, like a dress, whatever that is, a cosplay. Oh, new people. I cannot guess who these people are. The ones in the black. attire, the ninja girl, who is probably in la probably aiming for Gintoki. It's about to rain. Woo! I love this. I guess everyone is fighting the same enemy, and these are all. Yeah, definitely, definitely my favorite till now. This is a nice opening. I love this much. And the animation which came when they were fighting some, I don't know who they were. Like they looked like some different creatures overall. So and the opening when the drop came, the animation took off. That was really nice. Like I love this opening. It is my favorite till now. So opening 5 is the gem right now. Moving on to opening 6 of Gintama. Let's go. Shut up. Woo. Look at the size of that rice ball, man. What the hell? Yeah, she definitely has a thing for the main character. Yeah, these two. Over there. That was funny. Oh, so the white whatever that was. He could fly and he caught up to his legs and then they were surfing somewhere. But I just noticed that he was flying the white guy looked like who looked like a bird. I don't know. Is that a bird? Is okay. Has the is the main character having some dark past or something like that? Because for a moment it showed like he's reminiscing something about his past. I like the fifth opening the most, and sixth was also pretty good. I love the flow at which they were singing. That was really nice. Moving on to opening 7. Let's go. Oh, the bass really came. Oh, let's go. It was nice. He got mad. Why are all these people chasing the main character? Who are these two? Everyone is. Oh, the same ninja girl is like mysterious in this anime. Like they are so mysterious. Like you cannot guess just by looking at them that what they might be doing if you have no. Like everyone looks the same. Like it's not anything like the bad guy stands out and the good guy stands out. So they all look pretty much on same level. Uh, you cannot guess if who is evil, who is this that kind of anime where you have evil people? I don't think so. It looks more like a kind of slice of life and a comedy anime where you can just chill and watch each episode as it goes. So yeah, that is what I think about this as of now. Now these people do. Now the people here definitely stands out in terms of the character design though. So everyone is drawn really nicely and neatly, and they have very very minute differences, but that is enough to differentiate them from other characters. He looks new. Now the bird dude was flying as well. Might be. Oh, okay, yeah, he flies. I forgot. He flew in the earlier opening as well. What's with the road? Is there any significance to this way or this road? Because they are showing this way too much. So that was opening 7. Moving on to opening 8. Oh, so he's small. Now we are going to see some backstory, I guess. Is this dude his master? Because it looks like. And the sword definitely holds some kind of emotional attachment because he has it from the childhood. It's just not any sword, like. So must be like passed on to him by his father, I guess. Father or brother. Maybe someone from his family. Or maybe his master. Oh, that was a nice cut. That was a nice match cut. Everything looks so gloomy. Okay, so now they are showing everyone's childhood and then yeah, the same guy, the glasses guy. Oh, that was nice. These match cuts, I love the match cuts. Still couldn't figure out who these people are. Who can they be like? I have zero idea. Yeah, also, who is the dude with the glasses? He turned evil because that eye was soon bulging and popping out. Okay. Okay. I'm loving this animation. We also saw some new characters. That was a nice effect. Okay, there's one thing I noticed. I'll tell you. Wait. After this opening. Okay, so there's one thing I noticed that whatever is going on in the like the openings, it might be some fighting scene, it might be just some random scenes put here and there. Whatever it is going on, it will all come back together to that same road in which the both of the guys are going on a scooter and the girl is sitting on that dog and just going towards somewhere. Like I don't know where they are going, but they're just on that road and just like moving forwards and traveling. So that is what I took out from all the 8 openings right now. So moving on to Gintama opening 9. That face. Wait. Yeah, so right off the bat, I've seen all these 3 faces. There are a lot of memes. There were a lot of memes. I don't know. These are they don't circulate as much as they used to, but I definitely have seen the expression on that faces earlier. And also, sorry, I love that. I love how careless this dude is. He just doesn't care about anything. Maybe he does, but he shows at least that he doesn't care about anything. Yeah, like let's go, let's eat, let's drink the beer, and let's have the sundae and ice cream at the same time. Like everything. I love this. Asore. And now who these are? Bought a new CD. Oh, what is this? Okay. I really loved. Okay, so has the black hair dude got any connection with the main character Gintoki? Because whenever they show Gintoki, he definitely pops up from like the same scene or the same frame or something like that. And they are running from that ship, battleship. which is, I guess, just drawing the street. I guess not the street, even the town. And these are the in the car and all the other. Yeah, everyone's running from that. So these people are on. Oh, while a dude was filming, don't you want to save your life? Like whatever. Well, this dude can fly. The bird guy can fly. Why he's not flying? Oh, mafia or something? What? Wait, so is this something like these four people, Gintoki and his friends, have done some kind of like prank or some kind of what do you call that? Like they have cheated some of those people, and everyone is after them. It looked like when they fired that missile kind of stuff on him, it looked like these people are running from everyone else. Okay, so now there's blood involved, so that got dark. Yeah, so okay, new people, and they saved our main character. Ooh, that was creepy. Ooh, love that effect. So I also have concluded that this scooter on which they are traveling is like super reliable. Like missiles get the whole damn asteroid, I guess, and it won't uh, just be like destroyed, or it won't break down. And also like yeah, so we saw some new characters as well, and it looked like a few four or five people there were who saved Gintoki in his childhood, or maybe not. And this opening really also had some dark stuff, where there was, I guess, a guy who just licked the blood off his hand, and also there was this other dude with this who was a swordsman, and he just, the like the usual swordsman stuff. You just pull the sword out and put it right back in, and everything is like cuts into bits and pieces. So this opening looked like uh, some kind of dark stuff and some kind of past and something like that. So that was this opening for me. Yeah. So moving on to the next opening, Gintama opening 10. Let's go. So he's in an this dude is in an elevator and he's going up and he looks angry. We can see the view of the city. Walking opposite the crowd. Is something important coming up, or has it already like arrived? Oh, well, that was nice. So he's remembering all the friends and all the people he know. Also, yeah, see, after that, dude, these black dudes come. I definitely want to know who the black group or organization is. This is nice animation. The black and white and the fight. Oh, love this. So he's the master, and these three people. Oh, they looked so ruthless and bloodstained. So our main character, who is Gintoki, definitely has some history and some past. He's not just any happy-go-lucky kind of dude and careless dude. He definitely had some serious stuff going on with three more other people. Nice opening. I love this. Also, especially the animation which happened during the what was that? Yeah, during the drop, that was nice. The animation where they were fighting in black and white, and then they showed Gintoki's past and few other people, two or three other people, and they were bloodstained and looked really serious. That was nice. That was nice. This video might have gone like really long, but I might think to make this a two-part video. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, drop down one of these, subscribe for more content, and write down in the comments your suggestions. See you guys next time. Peace.